Hello everyone, this is Brady with InVideo, and today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to create a video collage for completely free. It's very plug and play with tons of templates to choose from using an online video editor called InVideo. And before we get into this, if you guys want to learn how to actually create thumb tapping videos using InVideo and you want your daily dose of creative tips and tutorials using InVideo, make sure you of course subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell. With that being said, let's get into it. So to actually get to this website, you want to look up InVideo on Google, or you can just paste it in the search bar up top and you will see that it'll take you to this website. It's going to give you a screen like this where you can sign up for completely free. It's just going to require your name, email, and password, and then you're ready to go. Once you've actually signed up, you'll be greeted with this screen where you can actually have pre-made templates, or you can use a blank canvas. For the purposes of the video, I'm going to be using blank canvas. You can also choose the dimension of the video you're going to be using. For example, if you want to make an Instagram reel or a TikTok, you're going to be using vertical. If you want to make a YouTube video, you're going to be using wide 16:9. We're going to be making it as if it were to be a TikTok, and you just want to go ahead and click make a video. So the first thing you're going to be greeted with is this default template stuff. You can go ahead and actually delete this since we are not going to be using the text or the logo for this. All you want to do is on this left side, there's going to be tons of stuff. You want to make sure you click this arrow to show more, and you're going to find the collage button. Once you actually find the collage button, you're going to be greeted with all these kind of templates. There's 2 images, 1 image, or 3 image. I'm going to be using the 3 image one. You want to hit click to add, and it's going to actually put the template in for you. So once you've actually added it, it's going to look really bad. It's going to look something like this since the pictures don't line up in the dimensions I'm going to be using. But if you simply go to uploads, you can actually upload your own media here and you can add it to the collage. All I'm going to do to actually replace some of these templates, I'm going to throw an image in here real quick. All you got to do is drag your image in, release it, it's going to hit replace, and then once you actually hit replace, you're going to see that it is actually going to fit perfectly in your template. Now you can actually take it and make it bigger if you want to. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and it should line up pretty well with your template. And if you want to do that with the exact same step with a video, you're going to do the same thing. You'll see that it'll actually have these default borders around showing you which one you're going to be replacing. I want to replace the one right underneath. Gonna go ahead and hit replace. It's gonna bring up this trim menu. Feel free to mute the audio, do what you need to do. You can mute it, you can actually trim it completely down if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the full video so it puts in there very nicely. So I actually imported a third image. Now you're going to see that it's not going to fit the exact dimensions, but I only really need my eye, so I'm going to go ahead and drag it until I'm actually satisfied with how my eye looks. Gonna make sure that I have the image selected, and just like that, you're going to see that I have my little collage done, basically just displaying a video of me, a picture of me, and my eyeball. And for me, that's pretty satisfactory, but we're going to do a little bit more with this. So you can see there's really no cool transitions or anything. There's actually some default music that I don't like, so I'm going to go ahead and first go to the music. I'm going to put some rock music on there because that's what I want, and you're going to see that there are tons of actual music soundtracks to choose from on here that are completely free. All you got to do is click these 3 dots and hit replace music. It's actually going to replace it and fit the scene for you, so it obviously stays with the video and you don't have an audio clip that's like 2 minutes longer than your actual video. So just like that, I have replaced the music. Now if you want to actually get kind of creative with this, all you have to do is click on the image you want to do creative stuff with. It's going to bring up this edit menu right here. Going to go to image animation, and you can actually make it for an in or out. Obviously I probably want it to be in. You can actually have it go in for the first second of the video all the way up to 3 seconds if you want to change that. I'm actually going to go ahead and click underneath this. It's going to give you tons of different options for transitions. For example, from the left, I actually want it from the left because obviously this image is on the left, and I'm actually going to click on the right one as well. Go to image animation. I'm going to make this, let's see, from, I think down would actually look pretty cool. And I'm going to have this last one, kind of like just fizzle in. See if we can find something like that. Yeah, actually we can have it bounce in. Let's see how that looks. And obviously this might look a little bit funny, but you get the point. All you have to do is click on the image and go to edit, and you can obviously edit it and animate it as you wish. Now once I actually hit play, let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I'm gonna go make sure it bounces in like that, and as you can see, there is some transitions. Feel free to make these longer if I want to. Let's say I want it 1 by 1. Video animation, let's change this one to 2 seconds right here. We'll make this one default 1 second. Let me just go ahead and make sure that it is on 1 second. It is. And then we just got to go ahead and make sure this video animation is on 3. And you will see that these will all come in at different times. As you can see right here, let's go ahead and back this up. 1, 2, and then 3. And that is just something creative you can do with video animation. You can also go ahead and use stuff like text. Let's say you actually had a big glow up, you lost like 65 pounds. You can have 2 images right here of you when you were very big, and then one of you obviously with the transformation, and you can put text up here, something like, you know, I lost a lot of weight. It'll add the text for you right here, and the edit menu is all the same. Just by clicking on that, the edit menu will pop up on the right, and you can do tons of stuff with that as well. Just remember, if you are going to add a video clip, make sure that the audio does not interfere with the background audio. By doing that, click on your video clip, go ahead to video edit, and it's going to say volume on. You just want to make sure you click volume off so the music does not interfere with the background music. Unless you actually want it to go with the background music, then obviously you can keep it on, but most of the time you actually want the background music in the background and you don't want your original clips interfering with that. Now you could be done right there, but if you wanted to add something else like another scene, you can always just click this add scene button, go ahead and hit blank scene, and it will add a completely new scene for you, which again you can start all over. You can even go ahead and just drag and drop it in front of it, so if you wanted to do something even cooler by building your own custom video that then leads to this. For example, I'm going to use that weight loss again. You can have a template of 3 pictures that you found yourself before you actually transformed, and the next 3 can be a video or pictures of you transforming. Like I said, these templates are super plug and play, and the edit menu is extremely easy to use. Once you are done with that, all you have to do is go to download and share in the top right. You're going to see the export button, and your video is going to start exporting. From here, you can obviously download it just from the screen, or you can go ahead and actually share this video from here. If you guys need any help or any questions using InVideo, whether that's billing services or just video editing, there's a chat menu in the bottom right where you can actually talk about video editing, billing, like I just said, and you can communicate directly with InVideo. And just in case you guys want to actually create another video, go ahead and just go back to the home screen, click wide. I obviously did it in a TikTok format or a 9:16, and we can just do the exact same concept by going to collage, picking another one, let's say these 3 images, and you're going to see that it's going to keep those dimensions. Obviously, with the different resolution, there is going to be different effects. For example, this one right here, you could not put a 4:3 image. If we were try to right now, it would obviously do something, let's say like this. Here's a picture of me. Go ahead and replace that. It's going to look very, very weird as soon as it comes in. It's not going to be fitted to the right resolution, as you guys can see right now. So just make sure you be careful of that and pick the right dimensions when using these templates. If you guys did find this video helpful, make sure you of course like the video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell. If you guys want to learn how to create thumb snapping videos using InVideo, there is going to be a playlist to tons of tutorials up here for all your video editing needs. Super easy, super free. With that being said, I'm Brady with InVideo, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.